Hi everyone, I am Anisha Stevens Legister. Today I want to help you get started on Zyqual, the new appraisal management information system. It is recommended that you use a desktop computer or a laptop. It is also recommended that you use a dual-core 2 GHz or higher processor and a RAM with at least 4 GB. It is also recommended that you use a Chrome browser. It is also recommended that you have at least a basic computer knowledge and using general applications such as Microsoft Office and search engine. It is also recommended that you have an email address and a phone number. Okay, from your Chrome browser, you go to Zyqual.com, then you go to log in, choose your country, Jamaica. To sign in, you will need to log in with your site account, and that is the email address that was sent to you. You will also need to enter the password that you got with your email address. Then click Login. If you're logging in for the first time, you'll have to check the box and accept the terms and conditions. Click Continue. We're now on the Zyqual system. After logging onto the system, you might want to update your profile. Now this is easy. From the main navigation, just above you will see your name and your email address. Click the arrow, choose Profile, so you can enter your work email, personal email, enter your address, city, state. State can be left blank. Your post code, right? Your tax registration number. You can choose your teaching level. Choose your professional qualification. Training in the last year, years of experience, your region. Now we have 7 regions, so you can just click the arrow and choose the region to which you are employed. QEC, right? I think we have 63 QEC, so you can choose your QEC, the department to which you are attached, right? But before you go to department, choose their faculty first, then the department. Within the QECs, we have different clusters, so you can go ahead, choose your cluster as well, and just complete the different areas. Scroll to the bottom, right? And you can choose to upload a photo of yourself. So to do that, right, profile image, click choose file, select the picture you want to use, click open, and then click save. Okay, so if you look above my name, you can see where I have changed my picture, so I have a different picture there. Alright, you can also click the same arrow that is beside your name to change your password, right? So click change password. It will ask you to enter your current password. That is the password that was sent to you. Alright, so you'll enter your old password, enter the new password, then confirm new password, then click save, and that is how you change your password and update your personal information.